Hi students, in this exercise we are going to learn how we can create alignment, segment and line and curve tables in Civil 3D. In this exercise, first we will place some labels on our alignments and then we will move on drawing tables. Just open 1-3 alignment table drawing from the description link. If you did not get it, please drop down in the comment box. I will give you this drawing. Once you will open, you will see a real-time project which we are developing in this complete advanced Civil 3D course. From Annotate tab here, add labels and table panel. Click the add labels icon to open. Just click here and you will see add label dialog box. In the feature field, select alignment. Then in the label type field, select multiple segments from the drop down menu. Okay, with these options you will click each alignment one time and every subcomponent will be labeled with the style selected here. So verify that the line label style field is set to bearing and distance, not general line label styles, bearing over distance. So you won't be left with these labels, you just want them for selecting element later. Verify that the curve label delta over length and radius, then since you have not spiral label styles need, so we will leave it as it is in this drawing. Now click the add button and select each of the two alignments in the drawing, the first one and then second, then press enter to end the command. Make sure do not select the alignment multiple times during the labeling process, since this will result in duplicate labels for the same segments. Click the close button to dismiss the add dialog box. Okay, now we have labels and we can create line table for these segments. Most line tables are simple: a line tag, a bearing and a distance. So we will also see how Civil 3D can translate units without having no changes units in drawing settings. So using same drawing, from the Annotate tab, add table, drop down arrow, you will see many types of the tables here. Add line to open, click on alignment, then add line to open the alignment table creation dialog box. Just verify that the check mark appears in the apply column for the alignment line, bearing over distance. Just drag it here and check mark here, then add existing and new. Rule is selected from this column. Now click OK to accept the setting in the table creation dialog. Table style should be length, directions, start and end, then general line, bearing and distance, then add existing, and no valid selection. Let's do it again. Add tables, alignments, and then add line. From here, add check mark, add existing, and then press OK. Okay, that's clear now. There was not any issue, just I apply again and it's work. Okay, click OK to accept all changes as in the dialog box, and at the select upper left corner prompt, select an insertion point on the screen, and the table will generate, which you can see like this. We have line, length, direction, start point and end point for line table of this alignment. So here we have tags line 1, line 2, line 3 like this, which you can see here on your alignment, line 2, line 1. So in this table we have all these line segments. You will notice that all the labels that have been selected to be displayed in the tables will have their styles modified to display the labels in tag mode. After you have made one table, creating other table in similar. Be patient as you create table. We must tweak a lot of values to make them look just right. By drawing once on screen and then editing the style, you can quickly achieve the result you want. Now we will create an alignment segment table. An individual segment table allows a reviewer to see all the components of an alignment. So in this exercise, in this part of this exercise, we will draw the segment tables for row D. I'm drawing, select row D alignment here, and from the alignment contextual tab in the labels in table panel, click the add table icon, drop down list here and choose add segment to open the alignment table creation dialog box. Notice that when a segment table is selected, you have the option to add the table based on the label entities assigned to an alignment, which was not an option when creating line and curve this while. So in the select alignment field, choose the row D as it is already selected from the drop down list and just click OK. In the select corner prompt, select any insertion point on screen and add table, you will see here. So now we have row D segment tables with line and curve. L for line, C for curve. The first line have L1, the first curve have C2, then 2, 3, 4, 5 like this in a sequence, and we have radius, length, line and chord directions accordingly for whole alignment. So this is how you can populate your alignment with labels, and then you can create a table for segments in Civil 3D to populate your drawing. Hope you like this video. We are going to use new chapter profiles, and